Today I'm making a bagel board. First I'm going to get started on the butters and the cream cheeses. First I'm going to get started on a roasted garlic butter. On my cutting board I have 1 head of garlic and I'm going to peel 1 to 2 layers off the garlic. Next I'm going to cut the top of the garlic so the cloves are exposed. Then I put the garlic on a baking sheet with some aluminum foil, and then I'm going to add some oil and salt to the garlic head and then wrap it up in the aluminum foil and bake this at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Next I have 1 stick of softened butter. Then I'm going to add the cooled roasted garlic. Next I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. Now I have a little ramekin. I'm going to scoop the roasted garlic butter into the ramekin. Next I'm going to make the brown sugar cinnamon butter, so in my bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of brown sugar. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. Next I'm going to scoop the cinnamon sugar butter into the ramekin. Next I'm going to make the chocolate cream cheese, so in my bowl I have a half a cup of whipped cream cheese. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Next I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. Then I'm going to scoop the chocolate cream cheese into the ramekin. Now it's time to build the bagel board. I have my board right here, and first I'm going to add a variety of bagels. Next I'm going to add the cream cheese and butters. First I'm going to add some regular cream cheese. Then I'm going to add the chocolate cream cheese. Then I'm going to add the roasted garlic butter and the cinnamon sugar butter. Lastly, I added some butter knives, and here's an up close look of the bagel board.